This next trick I'm going to be showing you is called Mach 5, and it is a really cool looking trick, but it can be pretty difficult if you haven't figured out how to do the split bottom mounting yet. So if you haven't figured it out, go back and check it out, make sure you've got it down, because this is pretty important for this trick. You start out with a split bottom mount. You're going to take your free hand index finger down underneath the yo-yo, back towards your body, up over the index finger of your throw hand, and from here you've got the yo-yo sort of trapped in between these two strings. From here you just pull your free hand and throw hand apart. I'm going to pull enough to stop the yo-yo, just so I can show you. But that'll suspend the yo-yo between your fingers. What you do from here is you rotate your hands around the yo-yo 5 times. And that completes the Mach 5 as far as the rotations go. You're going to end with your throw hand towards your body, basically draping the yo-yo back down how it was before you pulled the yo-yo tight. This will leave you basically in a bottom mount if you pull your throw hand index finger out of the loop. From there you can dismount, bottom out normally, and catch the yo-yo. So, just one more time with the yo-yo spinning still. So, split bottom mount, free hand comes down underneath the yo-yo, up over the top of your throw hand index finger, separate your hands, rotate and do your 5 rotations, dismount, catch the yo-yo. Oopsies. And you do have to be careful with this trick. It's a more complicated one in that you've got so many strings wrapped up inside a small gap of the yo-yo. So you have to be very smooth with your movements. Try not to jerk your hands too much. If you do jerk your hands, there's a chance that the yo-yo will snap back to your hand before you want it to, and it's tied to both hands at this point, so it's going to smack both of them. So just keep that in mind. The smoother your movements are, the easier it'll be on you. The closer your hands are at the top, once you've wrapped the yo-yo string down around the yo-yo, start off with your hands together and pull apart evenly. And let me stop it again. That'll give you a very good distance right in the middle. And with that distance, you can wrap the yo-yo in really good. So if you get really good at this trick, if you can get a good control over where the yo-yo ends up in the middle of your hands, you can actually wrap it up to 10 times or more, depending on how much control you have over the trick. So that was the Mach 5. I hope you enjoyed the trick, and I'll see you in the next video.